What's up guys, I'm Trains here. Here we are at Whyteleafe station level crossing in Surrey, I think, just about, with Joe Thorpe and Trainlover123. Little GWE barriers here. BCD, why not? Time is 8:31 on Sunday the 4th of March 2018. Crossing us down for the 0842 to Papa 11 Southern service from Caterham to London Victoria. And there's Joe. There's Trainlover123. So if you want to come over this side, it's coming from that way. Yeah. We've got the wigwags facing for the junction as well. You can see there, and then there. And the same over that side as well, actually. There's 6 wigwag crossing. Not with the new flash boxes though. And this is how it's LEDs too early for flash boxes. Oh what? Yeah, it'd be a 455 coming back. Well, this one, no, it's a 455 we saw, it's coming back. So this goes, because Caterham is literally just down the line. Yeah. So it's Caterham, Whyteleafe South and Whyteleafe. Yeah. So the train we saw at Whyteleafe heading down, because we got caught at the crossing, that's the train that's coming back. Yeah. So it's that 455 we saw coming back. I think it was 819, I'm not sure. Shot. Yeah. I eclipsed the shot. Stocked on a bit for the winter, so. Alright. There's the CCTV. Hello. I'll go back over the other side. Yeah, got it. It's coming. Four five five 819. 455 819 to London Victoria from Caterham. There they go. Let's go see you next week.